welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to put your HTML website online for free. So let me go to the browser and I will type here GitHub and click here new and set public and just give a name. So here I will say calculator. Now click on create repository. Let's upload our file. So I will click on uploading an existing file. And here I will upload all the files in my folder. So you can just drag and drop here. So now click on commit changes. Processing your files. And we are done. Now go to the settings option. Here you can see the settings option. And just click pages here. And here in none, you just have to select main. And that's it. Now save it. And it will take some time to create a link for you. So here you can see the link. Now you can click on visit this site, and this is the site, and you can see we are not in our local folder, and here I will paste it. See, this is the project and we are in live and it's working also. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.